Today I'm going to be reviewing Greadio Boombox. I'd like to thank Greadio for sending this to me to review. So, it's got a CD player. It's not 1990s or 2000s, but you know what? Look at this small package. I could see having this. They're inexpensive. Just to give you an idea, here is my tablet. There's the boombox. Here's my hand. It's not very big, but I think it's got a big package here, which is really nice. So you got the radio, you got the antenna, you've got your plug. You can put batteries in here. The batteries just go down here, right down here. Like C's go right in there. I don't know the battery life on that. I'm actually going to use this in my RV. The sound, I want to manage your expectation. The sound isn't like insane, but it's not horrible. I could see like when I take it to RV just to have it. But what's really cool is it's got Bluetooth. It's got a USB, headphones, auxiliary. It even comes with adapters. If you want to use your auxiliary, you can add anything. I mean, basically, this is everything. This is an Amazon choice. It gets 4.3 stars. It's basically the size of it. I mean, this is the C side right here, and then you've got the rest. And last month, October 2025, 1,000 of these were bought. I don't know what else to say other than I'm pretty impressed with this little package here. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.